Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing accurate measurements. Use a certified scale and calibrate it now. Once calibrated, measure and record the tare so you can get net weights. Next, pick a clear reference weight, for example 100 pounds, because the index compares items to that baseline. Take 3 to 5 representative samples and log gross minus tare for each. Do this immediately to avoid guesswork later. Accurate inputs make the index meaningful and repeatable for any batch. You now compute the core value. First, for each sample, subtract tare from gross to get net weight and jot those numbers down. Then average the net weights to smooth out measurement noise. Once done, apply the formula. Divide the average net by your reference weight and multiply by 100 to produce the pounds index mark. Make sure to use consistent units and keep 2 decimal places if you need precision. This yields a percentile index that reflects relative mass. You finish by formatting and verifying the result. Round the pounds index mark to the required precision and add it to your records with units and date. Then mark or label the items with that index so anyone reading can interpret comparisons quickly. Finally, validate by reweighing one representative sample. If the recheck deviates more than your tolerance, for example 2%, stop and recalibrate the scale. Then recompute from fresh samples to avoid systematic error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.